What's up, my people? Let's make some money now, guys. It's January and I know you guys need some money, and I'm going to show you a method that you can turn a balance like this. As you can see, guys, I have a balance of $12,000 on my Binance account. As you can see, others are still processing while others are inside my wallet. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can flip such balance by buying crypto low on one exchange and selling on a higher exchange in another exchange. Okay, I mean, what I'm trying to say, guys, if you buy, let's say, milk from Uganda, you can sell it in Nigeria at a higher price. So today I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT in Binance and sell in another exchange at a higher price. So without wasting time, guys, this is 12,000 USDT. You see, I am refreshing my Binance account so you can see that it's real, not fake. This 12,000, and the exchange we are going to use today is called Binance.com, guys. You can see it's BINUZ.com. That's the exchange we are going to use. And as you can see on my Binance account, I have $6,561. Okay, so if we go to a simple math, guys, 6,561 plus 12,000, that is $18,000 in total. So if we can go into math, just a simple math, so we can convert this money into our local currency. Let's say I have 18,000, that's 2,326,860 in Kenyan shillings. And if it's in Ugandan, let's say UGX, if it's Ugandan, let's say $18,000, that is a lot of money, guys. 65,255,022 shillings. If we convert to Nigerian money, guys, NGN, just for showing you, okay, let's say $18,000, that is a 25,776,000, guys. Okay, so that's the total amount that I have. That's my 12,000 in my Binance account, and my what, and my 6,000 on my Binance. This is the exchange we are going to use. So without wasting time, I don't want to give you stories, but I've showed you that dollars can make difference to you. So without wasting time, we are going to jump direct into the trading session. So the first step you need to do, guys, you need to have crypto on your Binance or on any exchange that you have. You can use Bybit, Ox, or any other exchange. After you have the crypto, guys, now the next step, you need to create an account on this exchange called Binance.com. okay, this one, let me show you. You just come to your browser. Here on your browser, you type Binance.com, okay, and it will log you here. You can see, and you can see the certificate. They are certified. You can view their certificate here, certificate of registration. It's verified and regulated by the Security Exchange of the United States, guys, as you can see. So after you have registered in that exchange, you need now to come and register. So you click on login. You just close this one. Okay, if you see you can't close, you just close, click on start trading, and then you click login, and then you click on create account. You fill all your information, guys, and remember, this exchange doesn't need any KYC because it's a decentralized exchange. Decentralized exchange don't need KYC, guys, so it's a very quick step and you will make some good money. So the next step, guys, the next step, after you have registered in your account, now you need to log in and then you fund your account. So because I have money here inside my Binance, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to show you practically how you can send money from your Binance account to this one, Binance, and make the trade. So before you transfer funds to your Binance, you need to click on the three dots after you logged in, and then you go to P2P, guys, P2P trading, and then you click on sell. On sell here, choose USDT as the cryptocurrency, and the amount, you put the amount that you want to trade with. So let's say the minimum is $46. So you put 46, and then the offers will come for the people who are offering 46. Or if you have 1,000, you put 1,000, because I have 1,000. Okay, and then you see I have the vendors who are supporting 1,000. So after you have done that, guys, you need to look for a vendor with the 1.36 and above, okay, or 1.2 and above. The more, like this one, if you sell to this one 1.43, you get $400 in profit. Okay, so guys, without wasting time, after you have figured how much you will spend, so for example, let's say I put 1,000 on that, I click sell and put 1,000. You see, I'm going to receive, after fees, I'm going to receive 1,398. Okay, so after you have figured the amount that you have and you have seen what you will get, guys, the next step is you click on three dots again, you click on wallet and you click on deposit, choose USDT. Okay, make sure to choose funding wallet, and then you put amount 1,000, because I'm going to use 1,000. You can use whichever amount that you can afford. Okay, and then you click on continue, and then guys, you'll be given an address. You just copy that address like that, you go back to your Binance. Okay, this is your Binance, and then on your Binance you click on send, on chain withdraw, and then you choose USDT, guys, and then you long press, and then guys, you long press that address and paste, and then you click on TRX. Okay, and then you put amount 1,000, all right, just like that, and then you click on withdraw. Okay, so remember not to put exactly 1,000, put 1,001 because of $1 fee. Okay, and then you click on withdraw. All right, guys, and then guys, you click on confirm, just as easy as this. And now here guys, you need to put your passkeys. So I'm going to hide my passkeys. Remember, your passkeys are your personal information, do not show it to anyone. Okay, now after you have done that, guys, the next step, you just take a screenshot of that picture. Okay, and then you go back to your Binance account and you click on tap upload screenshot here, and then you put your screenshot. Okay, the screenshot, and then you scroll down here and you click submit. Just as easy as that. Okay, and when you submit your deposit and it doesn't show like this, deposit submitted successfully, please log out and log in, then resubmit again. You need to log out your account, maybe your session has expired, and you log in, then you submit again. Okay, guys, so after that, now you can see the deposit is on the blockchain and it shall be processed within 3 to 5 minutes. So let's wait. I'm going to pause the video here. So guys, after a few minutes, you see now I'm logged in again to my account, and you can see my deposit has been approved 1 minute ago. Today is on 7th of January 2026, a new year that we are going all to win and make a lot of money in this world. We are going to be rich. So as you can see, it has been approved. So now if I go back and log in again, see, I've logged in back. You can see now I have 7,561 USDT on my wallet, because before I had 6,561. So I have 1,000 that I have deposited. If I go to deposit history, you can see the one that I just deposited. Okay, this one was 1 hour ago. I was doing trades. So now, because I have made my deposit, the next step, guys, is go to the P2P again, P2P trading, sell. Okay, remember the vendor that you had spotted before, you might not get him because of the liquidity, and you know, the more the liquidity, the prices change. Okay, so once you click on sell, you choose on USDT, the cryptocurrency amount, you put the amount that you have deposited. Okay, and payment method, don't choose that, leave that alone. Vendor name, don't put that. And then you scroll down and you find the best vendor with the best offer. I told you at least 1.4 or 1.3. So I'm going to find one. If it's not there, you just click on refresh. You refresh here. Okay, once you refresh, the vendors come again. Yes, I found one 1.42, this one. So I'm going to click on sell to her. So now the vendor is called Mary Lefver. Okay, I'm going to sell that 1,000 to her, 1,000, and I'm going to receive 1,422. Okay, I'm going to click continue payment method. Now here guys, on payment, once you click summary, it will bring you to this page, and then you click on payment, and then guys you choose USDT because you are selling USDT. You go back to your Binance or your Bybit or your Ox, and then you click on add funds, on chain deposit USDT. Okay, TRX, copy the address that you have guys. Once you copy the address, go back here and paste the address. Okay, paste that address here, and then after you paste the address, this is the address that you are receiving. You can see here they're writing you are receiving address, the area that the vendor will send you the payment to. Then after that you have pasted the address, you click on submit. So now we are waiting for the vendor to pay. What you need to do is you go here and text the vendor, chat with vendor, and you tell her, hi, please pay me. Okay, you just chat to the vendor. Very nice. You can see that. Also guys, if you are stuck, you can also read vendors reviews. Let me show you how you can read vendors as we wait for the trade to be confirmed by the vendor. Let me show you how you can read vendors reviews. You can go to P2P trading, and then you click on the vendor name. Let's say you click on sell. Okay, you can click on the vendor name like this. You can see their reviews are here. Recent reviews, amazing experience just a few minutes ago. All vendors, you can see this one has 567 reviews. Trade history, you can see it's here. Statistics, he has done over 2 million trade volume. Yes, so that's how you can check the vendors reviews. Okay guys, so because we are at the P2P now, we click on back and log in. We log in again guys, and then we go to transaction history. If we want to get the trade, we go to transaction history, and then we click on status. Okay, you see now the trade is here, and as you can see, the vendor hasn't replied yet, so we need to give him some more time guys. One more thing guys, at this stage, as you can see, it's 28 minutes. If this 28 minutes ends and the vendor hasn't paid yet, this trade will auto cancel. Okay, it will auto cancel, and once it auto cancels, it will refund back your money. And if the trade ends and the vendor hasn't paid you your funds to your Binance account, you just dispute the trade and you report it. You report the vendor. Okay, I will show you in the next step how to dispute the trade and how to report the vendor if you are not paid. So right now, let's wait for the vendor to come back. I will get back to you in about few minutes guys. So guys, it has been a few minutes since I started the video trading, and I started waiting for the vendor to pay. Now I'm going to log in back to my account and check whether the vendor has paid and responded. So as you can see now, I'm logged in back to my wallet. Now I'm going to click on the 3 dots on my right, and then I go to transaction history, and then I'll see the trade is here. You see it's awaiting release, so it means the vendor has paid. Now to see the trade, you click on status. Okay guys, once you click on status, you will see this message here. Great news, payment has been sent. The vendor has sent 1,422.8 to the address you provided. Please check your wallet to confirm receipt. What you should do now, check your wallet or bank account for the incoming payment. If you receive the payment, tap release trade to complete the transaction. If there's an issue with the payment, tap dispute to notify our team. Okay, so the first step guys, you go back to your Binance and you check whether you have been paid. So I'll go back to my Binance and check if I have been paid. Yes, here it is. You see the deposit is successful. Here it is guys. Here it is 1,422. So since I have confirmed the payment, now what I'm going to do is on click release. If you have not been paid, you click on dispute and you put the information why the vendor didn't pay you and everything. Okay, and also the vendor must have replied. You see the vendor replied here and said, thank you, I have paid. Okay, so since we received the payment, guys, now we're going to click on release the trade. Okay, and the trade has been completed successfully, and I have made 422 USDT in profit, just like that. So guys, that's how you turn these this is how you turn the buying low and the selling high. Okay, it's very easy, just like that. Okay guys, so now since I have already made my 422, now the next step I'm going to do is keep on repeating more trades, more and more and more, and more, make more money. So guys, that's how you simply buy USDT on another exchange at a lower price and you sell on another at the highest price. Guys, don't forget to like my videos, guys, on my TikTok. This is my TikTok account. You see, this is my TikTok account, has 73,000.4 subscribers. Like my TikTok, also join my Telegram channel here. Once you join, you see this link, all updates. You come and click on that link, you open it and you join my Telegram, my free Telegram community, where I teach for free. I post signals every day for free. You'll follow them for free and you learn for free, just for educational purpose, guys. Okay, so once you click that, you'll also see my Telegram channel. It will open like this, and if you want to contact me, you just come here and contact me. You'll see this one. You click on that and you talk to me. This is my contact. Okay, also in this Telegram channel also I post videos to my YouTube channel. Once you can see this is a link to YouTube. This one will take you to my YouTube channel, where you will also learn for free. So this is my YouTube channel, guys. It has 471,000 subscribers with the 230 videos ever since I started teaching people on how to make money online. And that is it, guys. So don't forget to like this video on my TikTok, share to more people, and also support me so that I can go viral and keep on helping others. Okay, thank you guys, and remember guys, this is for educational purpose only. It's not a financial advice, but if you do exactly what I did, I promise you will do and you'll achieve. Thank you so much, and happy new year, and more success.